Another approach that is very important in agile projects is early and frequent feedback. And we talked about this idea in the 12 principles. If we are using sequential development models like waterfall or V-model, the customer often doesn't see the product until the project is nearly completed. If this is the waterfall, you don't see the product until testing activities are done, and if this is the V-model, then the customer also sees the product after acceptance testing. And at this point, it's often too late for the development team to address any issues the customer may have. The deadline is reached, we have spent all the budget, so now we don't have any time to make adjustments to the software. In agile projects, we have short iterations. Those short iterations enable the team to receive early and continuous feedback on product quality throughout the development lifecycle. So, at the end of each iteration, we get feedback from the customer about the quality of the software, and based on this feedback, we begin to add new features, we begin to change in the already developed features, and in this case, mostly what we are developing is the same as what the customer wants. Early and frequent feedback will help the team focus on the features with the highest business value and deliver them to the customer first. It also will help us in managing the team better because everything in the team is transparent to everyone. We have a retrospective meeting, we have a sprint review meeting in which we begin to retrospect on what we have done in previous iterations. So the benefits of early and frequent feedback are a lot. One of them is avoiding requirements misunderstanding. If we understood a requirement from the client in a wrong way, in the next iteration, we will solve this problem. He will tell us, this is not what I was asking for, and in this case, we will solve this problem. We can clarify customer feature requests and make them available for customer use early. We can discover, isolate, and resolve quality problems early, especially if we are using continuous integration, and we will talk about it later. In continuous integration, once the developer finishes writing any piece of code, he integrates it to the rest of the system in an automated way. Early and frequent feedback also provides information to the agile team regarding its productivity and ability to deliver, and it also promotes consistent project momentum.